What up? What up? What up? Man, we don't want to get no damn copyright. You don't want to, we don't want no copyright issues, man. We don't want to start that over here on this channel. We don't want to start that. We don't want to start that. We don't want to start that. I don't want no copyright issues. Because I only the mob still pouring up. Where we at on that, John? NVIDIA, Mojo Jojo, Rather Lie, Good Credit, Backdoor, Crush, Pop Out, Toxic, Philly. Damn, they going crazy. Zero DTEs are done. What? I don't see nothing funny. I don't see nothing funny. I don't see nothing funny. All right, we made our trades for today. We're gonna go over these trades. I understand that we are a bit laggy over here. So you guys can hear me loud and clear. Right? Okay. I am a scalper around 11ish. So very big move on SPY. Very big move, right? So Friday down, pop, push, found an area of support, 556. For our level, and it was off to the races. Off to the races. So 556. Yeah. And I missed the run and I chased it. Today I did better. I was actually up for this move. I was just not ready to execute. I wanted to, since we gapped up, it's not showing the gap over here on these charts for some reason. Since we gapped up, I was like, okay, let's let the market sell. Let's let it try to find the direction. And what I didn't do yesterday was wait. What I did yesterday was I impulsively bought and got stopped out pretty hard. After I got stopped out of my put, I flipped to the long side, and that just threw me off. I was in other Discord communities talking with other traders, and they were just all over the place. When you stick to your own model and your own bias, then you usually see a lot more success. Yesterday, I failed to stick to my plan. I didn't even really have a plan. I had a great idea to get short and to target 548, and that played out lovely. I got stopped out on Mumu, and then I think I only took one trade on Mumu. Yesterday was the 13th. So I'll play 566s first. Yeah, I took that loss on Mumu. Yeah. 566 calls. I bought 2 at 25 and got dropped out. No, I bought 10. I bought 2 at 10. Excuse me. I bought 2 at 25 and sold them for a loss at 10. So that was a loss there. And then I flipped to my 548 puts. I flipped to my 548 puts, got filled at 26. Absolutely ran wild. So from my fill at 25, SPY 5 from $25 all the way as high as 97. So the lower you can buy more contracts. You find a good price on a contract, and you're able to double up on those prices, and then you sell them high. I tried to cover my loss. I tried to cover my my profits, and I have my stop losses too tight. Too tight. I wanted to hold for this all the way back down to 550, a $10 move. $10 move. So you do the math on that. Any strikes paid really well on puts. And then Thursday Asia session, we get a nice strong bullish rally up into New York Open, and then we get a nice sell off to grab liquidity, and we pushed back up into the 560 that we rejected from yesterday, and pushed all the way back down to 555, and this was a very key indication to get long right here. Three tries, New York Open, a liquidity grab, grabbed the, squeezed the buyers, and then we came back in and we pushed off. All the way to 562. And that would have been your day right there. 1 hour. 1 hour. So I missed this. I missed this. Not chase it. Let me just be patient. Let me try to find somewhere to get in. So then I say, okay. So we ended up pushing into my target that I wanted yesterday. So I'm like, okay, we got up here, and there is a chance that we can actually hold 560. So what I'm looking for now is for price to hold 560 going into next week. I'm not going to swing. So that's how my week started, and then I FOMO'd into another trade to cover that loss. So I'm like, okay, we got a triple bottom. I didn't take this. I missed the second leg, and then I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and sweep these equal highs because I do not believe in the triple top. I believe in letting price engineer and take out orders, and that's what we did. We took out orders up top. And then I took a quick scalp on 563s on Robinhood. No, I took them over here on Moon first. So I hopped in 563s, got filled at 40. I got filled at 40 on 563s. I can't find my play over here. Why does it show me this? And this move right here was just like, all right, was a good exit. If you can handle a pullback, I gotta get better at holding pullbacks, right? So I exited because I was trading on my laptop today. I finally downloaded the Mumu desktop version for the laptop, and it is fire. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna try to be working from the laptop a lot more. And the desktop version is cool, but I like what I got stopped out of there. Well, I didn't get stopped out. I closed. I manually exited 563s. Then I come back over here to Robinhood, and I'm like, all right. I took a loss on NVIDIA. I'll go over that in a second. I'll go over that in 1 second. But I'm trying to buy, looking for this last push to break through these equal highs. It ended up working out. We just impulsively bought because we were kind of like sick that we didn't capitalize as much as that we could, because we ended up taking home 15% from this trade recovery from my account from a silly loss I took yesterday. It's out of the money, and we're sitting at we're sitting above 560. So like, okay, anything between like 560 to 63 to 65, those have been our average ranges, but we have been seeing some big swings. Like how I told you guys, we were down here at 555. You know, not our average price action for SPY. SPY's been very volatile lately, right? So switching over to Discord, I'll show you guys the play that I took. I don't really care about what's happening anymore until the last 10 minutes. So I'll do this really fast. Okay, market hours. Market hours. Okay. So my alerts today, I was just not in it today. I gave out a nice trade idea after seeing this gap up. I don't know why I didn't show me the gap up over here, but this is the gap up that we had off of 553 yesterday, and these are the trades that I took yesterday. Just absolute dog shit. I wish I would have just held on to this, got back involved, but this pop right here scared me, and I actually FOMO'd into buys right here, listening to people in the Discord. And then we had a great pullback. Great pullback. I didn't recognize this song right here. I had this area identified as like a no man's land, but ideally it was a great time to find the trend for the day, and that was to the upside. So all the calls got paid. They gave a really nice setup, and I was like around 8:30. I was like, I like to get involved. 56 on a pullback. The dotted lines were my pullback around like sub 559. We never really got there. We got to 560s, very high. Excuse me. Excuse me, I had a long night. So I was like, all right, I like to get involved with 566s on a pullback. Never really got the best pullback. So I was like, all right, let me look for something around 10 a.m. I wanted to get in down here actually. My alert went off. Oh yeah. So my alert went off around 120.87. 120.87. And we had a nice bullish breakout. And this is where I took my entry. And this is actually a very nice rejection zone. I was really tempted to just stay long. It's just the wrong idea. And that was okay. Because I had a plan. I had a plan, I had a stop loss in mind. I was trying to hold on for the higher time frames, and we couldn't get it, man. We just couldn't get it at the moment. So you see my entry here, straight up liquidated. I should have cut it and just called it and moved over to SPY. I was like, if 121 holds, I'm gonna add. I ended up not adding because we couldn't break the highs. We kept making lower highs. So here's a high, here's a pullback, lower high, pullback, lower high, pullback, buying. This is where we should be buying right here. And this was around like 10:45ish. 10:45? Yeah. And it's still like we kept rejecting 120. So it wasn't until 11:30 that we found our bottom, and then we just started pushing towards that 120. And currently, price is sitting there right now. So I think they're going to leave us there to close out the week. That was the Nvidia trade. We got played right there. That was bad impulsiveness. So here we are, 11:45. I had to find one. I want to see the drive into the highs, but I'm already out. About alert, but I was ready for the next play for the community. So I played the 563s. I closed out up here. And then I'm like, okay, I see this liquidity grab. Let's see where we at. See the liquidity grab, and I'm like, all right, I want to get back in for the rinse and repeat. So actually adding up there, we got dragged it back down, and we found a nice area of support right here before my stop loss got took out. So I'm like, damn, I made a fucking impulsive move to buy up top. So all right, let me go ahead and add to my add down into this play. Right. So I bought contracts over here at 29. I got filled at $29 on 564s, right? So that was at 11:45, and then 11:58, just before power hour. I'm like, all right, we can get a power hour pump, and that's exactly what I was looking for, and we got it. We actually ended up pushing it 562.80, and then we hit a brick wall. So if we would have waited just, what is that, 10 more minutes, we could have got back in for a great discount because the contract fell to 15. It might have fell even lower than 15. So I'm like, all right, let me go ahead and average in. I bought two more. About two more, so I brought my average down tremendously down to 20 from 29. And then I sold out at 22. So here we are now getting a nice push above 562.80. And this is the model right here that they gave us today. Just very clean buying today after the New York Open. Nice little range we found. Buy low, sell high, sell high, sell low, do nothing, buy, exit, and I'm good. This right here was a forced play because I wanted to make back my loss from Nvidia, which was a small loss. We are red on Robinhood for today, but we are green on Moon. So 2 and 1 on the day. 2 trading for Nvidia to rip next week to through 120 in the last 10 minutes of the day. We're getting a nice push and playing so we can get anything over the weekend. It's not what I want to do. 67s. I was looking for 580 last weekend, but they gapped us down pretty bad. Right, they gapped us down pretty bad. Right here. From right here. We had a nice bull model set up, but they wanted to push us down. Here is Nvidia's running, so we should see SPY go ahead and push. I would love to see this 565 just flatline Monday. So these 567 calls are sitting at $100. These were as low as like 70, 68. But and they ran as high as today, 142. So going into next week, we have more news. News doesn't stop. Wow, we're seeing Nvidia is just driving here. This is just crazy. You hate to see shit like this. Wow, we are driving into the close right here. This is very tempting to get involved, especially coming out of the edge of the range. If we would have bought a little bit earlier, we would be doing really good. But like I said, we caught this leg right here and we wanted to get out here, and then we found a new floor right here at 561. So I mean, if we can go ahead and just drive on it now, that would just be sexy. So here we are coming into the zone right here. If we can get this impulsive move to take out this wick from Wednesday's pre-market CPI, sexy. But we're seeing the move right now play out, and those 567s went ahead and ripped to 114. So since the price is already very high for Monday, what I go ahead and do is look further out into the money, because the odds of us ripping into next week is very high. But it is a big gamble because we can get any type of news. People will put in their pending orders to execute at the open, causing volatility and gaps. And we hate to see a gap going in the wrong direction for your contracts. Wow, yeah, this fucking Nvidia right here. Oh my goodness. Excuse my French, but come on. I can't for the 564 break. 567s are at 120 with a delta of 30. That's awesome. I mean, it was just still so much heavy sell side action. I thought this was a beautiful bottom right here, but it just wasn't enough. but we are making a very strong move. We bottomed out at 550, and then we bottomed out here again at 555. Now we've made some very strong support right here at 560, and we got 2 minutes and really nothing we want to do here, but just look at the option chain and see what. Oh shit! I didn't even have the screen shared, but it brought down SPY. But I mean, like I said, we found to next week. That's sick. I knew they weren't gonna. There's no way they're gonna just let us consolidate like this going into a Friday close. But I mean, here we are, equal highs. This was my target, but we just got fooled right here from trying to chase this entry. This would have been a quick scalp. I wanted to see the market go ahead and close. What kind of closing prices did we get? And balances came in, everyone bought. I went ahead and bought some Walmart shares today. Some most that I did today, and then these trades on SPY and NVIDIA. The expiration for NVIDIA is on Friday, next Friday, and that's the 21st. And these prices have just inflated because since we reclaimed 120 and we drove off of 120, now we can see a pushback into those highs. I mean, NVIDIA has been on a great V-shaped recovery, but I wasn't paying attention to it like that. Oh, they're gonna give us this 564 on the close. We got 15 seconds. That's a beautiful break. So now, if you bought the over the weekend, is 0DTE traders, and here we are at the close. Price closed here at 562.78, and we are coming down already after hours. It's absolutely beautiful. Heat maps green. Beautiful. That's all every day told us. Told me what. Big. Yeah. Wow. Fuck, bro. Our targets. If we don't catch the entry, do not chase, because waiting is the best thing you can do. I had to wait almost 2 hours. And I was in like an hour of drawdown until I finally gave up on the play. But if I bought in here at 11:25, bought again at a power hour, and then get out just before the close, I mean, it's solid. But it was just too late. It was too late because, I mean, NVIDIA gave us this nice move off of 119 into the 120 sub. Right here was just, I mean, it was a good price, but you weren't going to get too much action. Wow. Pushing down, but that is what it is. It is what it is. We don't want to have no copyright issues, because I am a scalper. I am a trader. I just like music. So the plan for today was to stream. I am reaction. So you guys can get it right now for the time being. But this was a quick stream I wanted to be. This is a quick stream that I wanted to do real quick, man, just to do a trade review. But we're gonna level up pretty soon, man. because these setups are just creating millionaires. My threads are fire. I gave out the play for Nvidia. I lost it myself. Which, wow, what a close, Nvidia. Wow, what a close, Nvidia. Damn. Man, some people are just really bad at trading. Oh my God, he a goon. Oh my God, he a goon. We got a new Playboy Cardi album in 2025. And I'm gonna have to hit the roll. Gotta get the gold. Who for less? I'm blessed. It was some Crown Royal. We need to do 3 more orders today. We got plenty of time left. What a fucking close to the week, man. I mean, if you took losses this week, man, you could have made back everything and some. Post-market action. So stock market is closed. You switch back over to the Forex. Switch back over to the Forex. And what an easy buy. Asia session yesterday. Another buy, 55.48. Going into New York. You can go ahead and you can clean up. If you still want to trade for the day, got your nice support level. Pump it. Get in. Sell. If you missed this, or if you're even scared to catch this, and this is the 5-minute time frame. And then you would target the CPI. CPI. This is going to get swept out next week. So I am bullish. I want to remain bullish down here off of these lows. So here's going to be a target for me. Maybe even Sunday open if we don't get nothing chaotic. I don't see us getting no lower than 55.60 should hold. So I'm going to go ahead and put an alert right there at 55.92. 55.92. Alert every time. And let's go ahead and get long if we pull back from any crazy controversy. Do we have any lyrics yet? We got 30 new Playboy Cardi songs with some features. We got a Kendrick feature, Travis Scott, Skepta, where's Skepta? Where's the one with Skepta? No one's talking about Skepta. Pop Out, Crush, K-Pop, Evil Jordan, Mojo Jojo, Philly, Radar, Rather Lie, Fine Shit, Backdoor, Toxic, Munyon, Crank, Charge Them Hoes a Fee, Good Credit, I See You Baby Boy, Wake Up Filthy, Jumpin', Trim, Cocaine Nose, We Need All the Vibes, Olympian, OPM Baby, Twin Trim, Like Wheezy, This One Got It, Walk, HBA, Overly, South Atlanta Baby. We got 30 new tracks 5 years later. My last favorite Cardi album, no, I'm not gonna lie, was Die Lit. Low key, low key. Die Lit, low key was fire. I liked Kelly K, Had to, yeah, I mean, other shit, and then he after 2017, I don't know what the hell he got into. A whole lot of Red Hots and bangers. After a while, I did like I Love You, I Hate You at first. It's my favorite ones, and then Punk Mock, Place, Sky, Meh, Teen X. And that was about it. Kanye feeling a little bit left out. I'd rather lie to lose you. We ain't getting no copyrights on this channel at all, man. You know how many copyrights got on my other channel? Way too many. But we still up. We still up. I'm a scalper. We absolutely scalped today. But there were some really great plays today. And we just did not capitalize the way that we should have. We could have been a little bit more patient on this damn NVIDIA play, and we could be super green on the day. I mean, NVIDIA all week just ran 105 Tuesday. We just ran all week. It's a late fine. Is what it is. Because gold had the attention. Was not really expecting gold to push it this soon. But that's just how gold is, really unpredictable. But I mean, it made sense because the stock market was pulling back, and it pulled back into correction territory. So, you gotta transfer the wealth into something else, and that's what we got here on gold. I mean, gold was just beautiful after last week, after NFP week. I tried to trade NFP and I got cooked up, blew my account up right here with this bullshit. So we missed out on the all-time high run on gold, playing around with trading news. Beautiful pullback into 28.80 for a rip to 3,000. I mean, someone probably made $1 million off this move right here. Got to be very patient for this move. I mean, shit, man. We wanted it here. We wanted it here, but couldn't get it. Trying to short these highs is very difficult but we found a target right here to take out Tuesday in February. This was back in February. Fake the run, high, dump, pump, dump, push and pull, push and pull. And then we made lower lows. And this lower low was a great indication to give us what we needed to push to new highs. So what really attracted me back to gold this year was this run in February was just a straight bull run. Thought we could get it in February, but this is when we started seeing stocks pull back dramatically. Gold was pushing and pulling with the market. And then as we got later into February, gold fell back with the stock market, which was kind of throwing me off a little bit. Found a nice lower low down here, 2,900. Good pull. Good push back into the strong move down. This is what you want to target after a strong move down. You find a nice bottom and you go and attack what was once resistance. 29.30, 29.15. We ranged. I got chopped up Friday just to miss out on another bull run from January to February. So I mean, it hurts. It hurts, man. But GLD gave a nice opportunity this past week, and I just was not feeling like being risky because my SPY calls over the weekend last Friday just wrecked me coming into the start of this week. So that I lost a lot of confidence this past week. I was very on edge, on tilt, trying to recover that loss. It wasn't a big loss, but it was a bad loss for the portfolio. So that really set me back. So I had to go ahead and just deposit some more cash. I'm probably going to move my cash into Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and, okay, this is Charcoal Kendrick right here. Back door. Baby, pull up through the back door. So Bitcoin is holding this post-election rally. We haven't erased all the gains yet. I don't see us coming back to erase these gains. This is a great area of support that we found right here, 75. Some people really called for this pullback right here, which is amazing. It only took December, January. I got run. I'm not gonna lie to you. I got run pulled up here at 104 because we found this. We bounced off this beautiful area of support right here, and then I don't know what the hell happened. Like all the Trump fiasco with the meme. Yeah, the Trump made his meme coin, and then that fucked everything up. I mean, we were at the edge of the range right here, and then all the meme coin mania took off, and that really hurt us. Drop down. A nice, beautiful reclaim of 95, but still like a lot of shit happening. Stocks were crashing. So then Bitcoin joined the party after the meme coin mania, right? We have the Solana meme coins, Chill Guy. I actually bought some Chill Guy. 2 days too late though. 2 days too late on Chill Guy. And then the Trump coin, I missed out on the Trump coin. So, I mean, opportunities come and go in this market daily. As soon as the stock market is closed, crypto. All the cryptos, all the crypt bros and hoes looking to make any money they didn't make during the week. My new bitch a blazing. I see you, baby boy. Oh, we got Future and Skepta on here. That's fire. Damn, this toxic song is hard. I don't like that toxic shit though, but this shit is hard. Does Skepta put out any new music other than this verse? I'm excited we get a Money Man album next week, Insomnia. Ah, that's funny. That was Skepta's last project. It's funny that he's here on party shit 5 years later. So maybe we could be expecting a Skepta project. Shorty wanna see me every day. Manyan. I know you don't mean to. Come a long way, still can't believe I'm in Forbes. Big Bank Jumbo. Damn. So what's going on with Bitcoin here? Shout out to Crypto Lifer, man. He does some really great TA. He has a great community. I'm thinking about getting involved in. I am actually Discord shopping right now. I just canceled one of my subs. Community is absolutely ass cheeks. My Discord is lit though, man. I love my Discord right here. I just gotta stop being so spammy. I'm a little bit spammy. Yesterday, should have stuck to my damn bias of sells. Should have stuck to the bias. February. I'm in 611s, February 20th. This is a really late entry. 9:30, 9:36. Pull it back to the, looks like a 5 minute. Yeah, this is bad right here. We're chasing the bottom. I mean, we're chasing the buys right here. We're not gonna just shoot up in a straight line. We always have to push and pull. The pull and push. Push, pull back down. Into support, 607, get long, and you target 610. You target 610 from right here, not here, because you're gonna get crushed up. And that is what it's looked like. It happened to me February 20th. Stopped out too early. It was too early. 10 a.m. Here it is, 11:13, pushing. So that was February 20th. So here was my other play, Cheesecake Factory. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking about Cheesecake Factory, but it did not do what I wanted to do. I had some great setups for this week right here, and the winner actually ended up being Hershey. We missed out on Cheesecake Factory before the earnings, so we had a great earnings run. We had a great pre-earnings run into the Valentine's Day weekend, and I caught on way too late. We ended up chopping sideways and breaking down with the stock market crash, and then Cheesecake Factory came out with some news that they were like converting their senior notes to have more capital. So I was asked, here's the Hershey play of the day here, missed out playing the range on SPY. So we pushed down, and then we found support at 158. Future got a couple songs on here, but I don't like this one. This one sucked. Charge them hoes a fee. Hershey was a really good one. GTA 6 TTWO on the move, and we pulled back. We pulled back to about like 200. So I am looking to get back long for leaps. That's going to be a great play. I'm excited for. And damn, what happened here? February 14th, we went 0-3. Chasing plays. Chasing plays. We take the buys too late for missing an entry. And then we miss a great rally. Wasted. I was bullish on DraftKings coming off the Super Bowl. I was bullish on DraftKings before the Super Bowl, but I didn't take the play for some reason. This is back in February, around this time. This is exactly 1 month ago. And we are trading quite the same. I'm waiting for too many confluences to get in my trades. Might be overtrading a little bit too much. So going into this week, man, I am looking to relax on trading just a bit. Try to start swinging because I do think that the market is finding levels of support. And you know, there's just a lot of news coming out. The Bamps and the Boogies. We got another Kendrick feature. Good credit. I'm sorry, because I got off the muscle, dog. I'm talking about I carry your weight, nigga. I'm Luka Doncic. Yeah, Kendrick is on a freaking generational run right now. But yeah, Cheesecake Factory threw me off. And it looks like I was just really fucking with Spy. Take Two really took the fuck off. But yeah, man, we gotta get involved when it's time to get involved. We cannot chase. We have to replace. February 13th. 608 call in play. Nets leg loading. Trump paused the tariffs. This is back before Valentine's Day. Before we crash. I should have figured we were getting ready to crash soon. This was the areas of resistance we couldn't never break. We're all these damn gaps, 8 gaps. And here come the gaps again. We've got a gap Monday. We got a gap today. Here to come back the gaps. So anytime we don't have gaps, we gotta take advantage. Damn. Down $30 today from the fucking Nvidia play that fucking ripped at the end of the fucking day. That is fucking bogus. Yeah. Baby, what you skip town for me? How do I know that you down for me? Instead, you want to be the one to lie to me. Instead, you want to be the one to, Instead, you want to be the one to lie to me. Instead, you want to be the one to, Damn. Scram. Blam. Yeah. Rolling Loud Weekend. Money on the flow. Different hoes. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Mode. I'm not getting no copyrights. I am a trader. Live right now. This is fire. This album's a little fire. Fire. Damn, Nvidia. What the fuck? The fuck, Nvidia? Damn, 2-1 today. What the fuck, man? Oh my god. Hey, members, man, we bought some Walmart today. What? What? Man, I'm mad as fuck about Nvidia, man. We should have took that. We should have taken no loss today. We should have fucking ran up fucking 10 racks today. But we were fucking around. My goodness. Look at this fucking sell. This is what I'm talking about, man. Forex is king, baby. Look at this motherfucking sell right here. 1 p.m. fucking flash crash. This is what I'm talking about, man. So if you swung over the weekend, you're fucking hoping that we hold these levels right here. You are hoping that we hold these fucking levels right here, because if not, if you swung over the weekend, you are going to wake up Monday angry. Unless you put in a stop loss. Because SPY's already pushed back down to 561.58. I do want to see SPY hold. If we can hold 560, then that is going to help me stay long going into the week. So this weekend, man, I'm going to be in my Discord live. I'll be in my Discord live in the study hall section, going over all the bullshit that I've done the last month and a half and get back on my win streak, man. We were on an amazing win streak to close out the end of last year. 2 weeks. 2-week run, rolled over into January. Very good run up until I went to that Clippers game. Shout out to you. You followed me on the ground. We went to the Clippers game and we just crashed out before the stock market crashed. I don't know what the fuck happened. I am becoming a narcissist. The S&P 500 jumped 2%, adding 1 trillion in market cap. Best day of 2025. What the F? What in the is going on here? Everyone's buying these stocks on sale. Stocks on sale. It's beautiful. What the fuck? Gathering data. See, that's what I'm doing here in my Discord. I'm gathering all this data. I just showed you guys. Broke down everything for you guys. So I'm gonna be live in the study hall this weekend. Let me go ahead and add this trade over here that I took. Copy. SPY made half of the loss back. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let go. Let go. Man, yeah, SPY gave me a fucking beautiful setup today. We can fucking capitalize off of it today for whatever the fuck reason. For whatever the fuck we did not capitalize. So I would have targeted these 565s. Yeah, this is the best exit right here. So I love Moo because they're gonna show me the charts. They're gonna show me the charts for the positions that I took, which was, I believe, 563 and 564. So March 14th, $21 to $129. $21 to $129. If you just sit back and wait, that's exactly what I did this morning, but I couldn't lock in and get a part of the ride. $21 fucking dollars to $129 from one contract. Now, $210 worth of contracts down here at 10, over $1,000 right there. If I get my ass up out of the bed and get to the break. But we wanted to fuck around, and we found out that we were too late, so we had to wait. Didn't want to take that, so I waited. I didn't want to take that, so I waited till we found the edge of the range, which was right here on this leg, and I bought this fucking last leg. We got stopped out on profit. And that's all that we caught today. And then we caught this right here for a break even. We could have held just a little bit longer for a nice little gain. But even if we waited after we secured this win, even if we waited here, don't just hop in. I mean, there's over an hour of day left right here. Less than an hour of day left right here. So we wait patiently for a pullback to get back involved on the bull train. And then we can find a nice exit high or a nice entry low for a great discount versus paying a higher premium up here. And we could have paid a great exit up high for another big winner to add on to this baby boy. So 560, I'm looking for this shit to hold and push us up out of 564s to take out this high of 565. So 565 is going to be one of my targets for next week. Let's go ahead and targeting 565 calls. So everyone, and then NVIDIA, let's go ahead and just, I'm here right now. Let's go ahead and spill the beans. NVIDIA's already been on a fucking massive bull run. I really don't want to FOMO into this bull run. But if we are able to hold the 120 level, damn, I need to get these down. You get these damn computers so you can see. We could have bought a brand new lot. We could have bought a new monitor today, man. We would have fucking got up for the fucking bell, but we wanted to fuck off. So I mean, NVIDIA, amazing off of 118, beautiful push into 122. I want to see us hold this 120. Let's go ahead and draw our bots. Go ahead and draw our bots. Boom. So if we come back into here, let's go ahead and set an alert on NVIDIA 120.48, and we already have the alert set. We already have that set. We have SPY set, and then we have SPX set. SPX set. So yeah, mainly next week I'm looking. I'm gonna keep my eyes on NVIDIA. Of course, SPY. Maybe gold. Damn, gold is pushing up after hours. Damn, gold is just. Honestly, I'm gonna be looking to short gold here pretty soon, because usually gold makes all-time highs and then we just sell the fuck off so hard all the time. Hasn't failed not once yet. What was a very key level that we hit on gold? 2,800 or before this run? I remember they were like, "Oh yeah, gold's up." Yeah, we were over 2,500. So I was like, all right, yes, we're at 2,500. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna push the 3,000. So we have that massive rally. It's January, February, but we didn't really pull back like that. I think it might have been in here October. Yeah, it might have been in October. Yeah, we pushed through 2,500, and then we slammed really hard. These were all-time highs for us right here at the time, and we freaking pulled back all the way to 2,500. So if you were able to catch 2,500, even right here in December, and just ride that motherfucker all the way up into February, damn. I mean, talk about a fucking bull run, man. Gold has just been, wow. This is sick. Like, I took a break from Forex during this time right here. I was like, man, let me lock in on these damn contracts, because I was hitting their ass left and right on SPY. I was up 500% to close out December, 500% coming into January, and then we just, I don't even fucking know. Lost trying to swing. So I mean, in January I was getting involved too late. Like, I was just getting involved way too late. Let's go over these real quick. I mean, this is where the money comes, guys. You know, screen time. We're already an hour in for today. I don't want to be here too much longer, because I do have to go hit the gym. I do have to go do some Instacarts. And then this fucking computer is just so damn slow. So Thursday, yeah, I took a silly loss here on Thursday. We were on a good win streak this weekend until we fucking had that clusterfuck yesterday. Caught a nice buy on Tuesday to recover from this bullshit. Monday. Yeah, this is a man. This is a 5 minute, so it's like choppy. But I want to go back to January here to see where we really fucked off. All these damn gaps. So this was a great buy right here. 607 to 610, and then we got to know to get out, take what we get. Friday, drop this down. So that was like the end of January. I'm like trying to keep my shit together, but here we were just taking entries just like either too late, not letting the market develop, or we're just straight up getting faked out. I remember this one right here after my brother's birthday. Yeah. Just a range trade, just really no entry up here. Wednesday, yeah, there was really just nothing up here. Then we just got washed out. Could have waited for the sell, and then got involved on Thursday open. So this one, I think this one really crushed. I think I lost like $200, $400 that day right there. These buys right here looked like it was a nice little scalpy, but we're in too high, we're in too late. We are chasing the move because for some reason we're scared to buy down here in case of any like flash flood. We weren't going to get a flash flood because we had a strong bullish move in the pre-market. It looks like this might have been a CPI day. We had a nice bullish move pre-market. And what did I do here? What did I do? So it's like something silly. I did something silly over here. But yeah, man, you guys, this computer's gonna just drive me crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can't really scale down like that on here. I'm probably just gonna probably stream on this Mac Mini over here, but I'm tired of using my iPhones. But maybe I'll just use my iPhone because I am gonna just trade on the desktop over here. Just gotta get more acquainted to it, to the interface and all that. But yeah, Nvidia, SPY and gold is what I'm looking at. I did like what I saw today on Oklo. Walmart, how did Walmart close? Walmart closed 1%. That's cool. UPS stock. This right here was a stock that I just found out about. MP. MP was another one I found out about. RIP today. Hershey finally is pulling back. Microsoft. I just took some profits out of Microsoft. This is pretty nasty fucking sell off from January. I mean, oh my god, January. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be looking to buy some more Microsoft. I'm looking to buy some more Microsoft down here. But yeah, Microsoft's been getting slammed. No idea why. Sprouts. Sprouts got slammed from the earnings. Would have been a great opportunity to get short because the market was everyone was weak. Everyone's complaining about egg prices. Slammed. So there was that. I love Sprouts. I love Sprouts. DraftKings, I mean, unfortunately, we have an average of 40. Our shares are at an average of 40. This would have been an immaculate short to capitalize on. A great trade to capitalize on post earnings, and then we got pre earnings, and then we got a little post earnings run, and then crash. So DraftKings, I love to see DraftKings holding this trend line right here. We did make some lower lows, so I love buying lower lows. For shares, Apple, 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 Apple. Apple, but I was involved in some longs on Apple around the 237. Yeah, I got involved in 237, and Apple just fucking crashed so hard. So I would love to buy some Apple down here at 200. I mean, that's better than 200 is better than 224. 224 is better than 260. But we would love to have an average price of Apple below 200. So if Apple rejects 220, then I can definitely see us coming down to 192 if the market doesn't get right. And then Instacart, man, I fucking FOMO'd into Instacart. If the whole market is crashing, man, everyone's gonna have their runs for only so long, and we just crashed off our earnings. I really thought Instacart could be bullish for earnings, but they're not that big. They're not that big to be trying to like move the market as much. Because as you can see, we crashed so bad off of 55. This was just disgusting. I actually bought some shares up here at 50. It's disgusting. I ended up selling. I sold, sold for a loss, and then I'm back in down here at 39. So we'll see where this goes. We really should have just fucking waited. You always get paid for waiting. And then here's the worst one ever, Kaba. Kaba. If you're in the baggage claim, you already know how I feel about Kaba. But Kaba has been getting slammed since the election, since after the election. I guess they don't like Mediterraneans. Kaba, we couldn't make no higher highs. I wasn't even really paying attention to Kaba because I was trading SPY. Kaba would have been an amazing short opportunity. So we really need Kaba to hold. This area down here. But if we drop into here, I am gonna absolutely load shares into Kaba. I'm gonna load into Kaba down here because my average was 83. We got hooked onto Kaba right here a little bit after the summertime, and then we enjoyed a nice rally, but we are back to zero. We're losing money at this point on Kava because we didn't trim. I only had 2 shares, but we didn't secure the wins. So Kava, I think Kava is a long-term play like Chipotle. They have a lot of bullish news for the future. Let's see what they have today. Domino's fail. Domino's fail. Well, why are you telling me about them? I don't care about them. But yeah, you guys, I think that was going to be it for me today. Today could have been a lot better. The week could have been a lot greater. But we can't cry about spilled milk. So what we can do is we get back into our journal and we get back into our journal and we figure out what we could have did better. Figure out what we could have did better. So I'm gonna go ahead and close down the stream right here, you guys. I hope you guys took away some value from today. And I hope you were able to capitalize off some moves today in this market, because this market was just a handout today. We love days like this. We gotta go hard on the easy days and go easy on the hard days. So leave you guys with that one right there. Enjoy some good music this weekend. Put some screen time in because we got J Powell coming through this week. I think this is like my last free weekend. So we back. We're working. So yeah, y'all. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to the traders. Shout out to the scalpers. Shout out to the baggage claimers. Shout out to you for showing up. And this is gonna get chopped up into clips. So be on the lookout for that.